HIMS was trending a couple of hours ago following FDA restrictions on compounded GLP-1 ingredients and a patent infringement lawsuit from Novo Nordisk, which has forced the company to halt sales of its oral semaglutide pill. The Bank of America has also cut its price target to $13 while reiterating an underperform rating, citing heightened legal and regulatory risks to the company's GLP-1 compounding business. The community of traders and investors are actively debating if the stock is a falling knife headed for single digits or setting up for a massive short squeeze, given its high short interest of 37.11%. So yesterday, the 10th of February, lost 10.81%. So this is its daily chart. So the stock has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term neutral to bearish trend. The extrapolation of its 3 day moving average seems to be suggesting that it's going to maintain this weakness up till tomorrow, the 12th of February. Then after that, it might attempt to reverse this downtrend. So you might be seeing here that it may have a bounce from Friday the 13th and may hold it up till the 3rd of March. That's a long time to come. But I know a lot of people might be encouraged with what's going on, especially given the fact that it has just been relentlessly printing lower prices. I mean, let's say now since Thursday, the 29th of January, it's just giving up everything. Uh, the downtrend has been in place like since like forever. Let's see now. Let's see when this downtrend began sometime in October, yeah, middle of October, relentlessly on a downtrend. Okay, so projections are currently saying 31.53, 31.53. Let me, yeah, 31.53, 32.89, 33.74. No guarantee that those will play out at all. There's absolutely no guarantee, not anytime soon. Don't rely on that. And here we have on its market grid, we have it has potential to trade between 22.83 and 15.83. It's currently at 17.24. So this is where it is right now in the support zones. So 17.58 is something that can easily happen. I mean, it will happen, surely. I mean, given the regime we are in right now. And I believe that it may continue to print lower prices up till Thursday, the 12th. So 17.58 is something that can happen even as low as 15.83, something that can happen. Yeah, on its 4-hour chart, it doesn't have okay, well, here we can't see any supports here, 16.66, but I think we can't see any supports. There's no, yeah, 16.6. It doesn't seem like a strong support, but on its 4-hour chart we might see something there. Okay, yeah, here on the 4-hour chart, it has support here, something. Okay, that's a resistance, 17.63. Yeah, we have some supports here, some 16.98, 16.68. Yeah, I mean, if we have to match the two market grids, so it is a good chance. Then there's a good chance we might get a pivot. There's a good chance we might get a pivot. Even though the pivot is saying that it's going to be from Friday, but maybe these will be these at 16 from between 16.98 and 16.12. That is where we may see a bounce. I mean, referring to the bounce that is extrapolated on its daily chart. On this 4-hour chart, no such bounce is expressed. Yeah, no such bounce is extrapolated. It's more of the continuation of the downtrend up till beyond probably the 18th of February. Yeah, here the range is between 18.36 and 16.12. Does it have any resistance? Well, if it reverses course, let's see now, 17.5 might be one, 17.8 might be one as well. I think, do we have any on the daily chart? Let's see. Yes, yeah, it has also a strong resistance as well. So it's a sandwich between robust support and then staunch resistance. So, okay, maybe I think I'm leaning more towards getting a bounce from the $16 level and maybe attacking the $17 range. So let's see now. The probability of it retesting 23.18 is statistically very high. So let's see now. What do we have here? 18.68 equally statistically very high. 17.51 equally statistically very high. So if that is anything, if that can change the direction of things, then we can be encouraged that it might print a bounce. So I think this is the most encouraging, even though the 4 hour chart is not saying anything like that. But bear in mind that the 4 hour chart is it prints every 4 hours, and it also continues in the post market session. These prints every day, so there may still be a world where they may align. Yeah, so yeah, see what you make of HIMS, and thank you very much for watching this video.